third and final set together on the program Let's Talk with Carl Vincent Quitoriano. Carl, let's go back to the book. You know what? Di ba, with the new technology right now, ba't kailangan pa natin i-publish yan? O di kaya kailangan natin gumawa ng hard copy? Why not put it on the net? Computer, internet, for the Ilocanos, particularly Kawayeños, could easily find it and read it na lang sa internet.
Well, first and foremost kasi noon unang panahon pa, books talaga ang pinagkukuha na may information. So, for this book, it is better na mapunta ito into a book talaga kasi the book will be an evidence or a proof to a Kawayeño like me that there is a striving Kawayeño pa rin. Then, in addition to that, pag sa libro kasi, after generations to generations and generations, ang libro ay masasama, or I mean, mabubuhay pa rin eh. All informations written in the book ay mapreserve. Kasi, mapreserve, pwede itong dalhin ng kahit sino, o kaya maitago ng kahit sino para sa mga susunod na henerasyon. Is pwede na itong maipakita sa mga bata or kung sino man. Kasi if in computer, well, it's very accessible.
Yes.
With just one click lang yan, isang click lang, no? Pero once that modern technology collapses, everything will collapse also.
Pwede mawala, no?
Pwedeng mawala lahat. For example, babalik tayo sa nakaraan. Ang mga taong nasanay sa internet, they cannot adjust or move the fact that puro internet sila. Ang libro, maski anong panahon, naandito yan bakit pa nagpapublish ang ating government ng libro, government property books from kinder to college, kung alam nila na hindi na pala mas magiging magandang source ang libro.
At hindi lang yan, Carl, kasi ako rin, I would also disagree na ipapublish mo yan. Pwede siguro, pero ang mahirap kasi yung paglalo, wala pang copyright, pwedeng kopyahin yan You know, the copy-paste thing, and pwede ko rin i-consider na maging writer ako. Akong author ng book na yan. Sa akin, kinuha ni Carl yan. Talking about writing, or mag-author ng isang book, do you think may kaibahan na ba ngayon yung method of pagsusulat sa young generation like you, young writers like you, young author like you, compare mo sa before or the old style na system ng pagsusulat?
Well, there's a big difference talaga, no? Well, first, sa mga wordings. For example, meron tayong there are archaic words at present that cannot be considered na gamitin na. They can be, but sometimes. Kasi, as time goes on, there are innovations, there are changes naman kasi in any field naman, whether it's in literature, writing, science, history, and anything. Kasi, dito sa history, I mean dito sa pagsusulat, maraming mababago. For example, sa thesis writing ngayon, may thesis writing noon, pero ang filing ng bibliography, hindi na siya APA style. Ngayon, APA style na, yun na ang sinusunod. And another is yung, I think, stenotype din ata. I think it's a form of writing also. Stenotype hindi na masyadong ginagamit ngayon kasi sa old school na yun. Malaking tulong ngayon ng stenotype, pero it's not, I think, hindi pa siya binabalik sa curriculum kasi na i-suggest that stenotype is an ideal form of writing for students.
And of course, the APA style is medyo iba talaga yung But anyways, yan, mahirap ba magsulat ng libro?
Yes, it's very hard, no? Sa pagko-collect pa ng informations, very hard na. Tapos sa pagsisimula, introduction until to the body, i-close mo, it's very hard. Writing or composing a paragraph is very hard na. Ito pa kaya, it's history. The content of this book must be credible, kung saan the readers mas matatag or more interested in this.
And not only that, syempre lalo pag history, medyo mabusisi. Ang pagiging writer or author mo, ito ba ay panghabang buhay na o gagawin mo itong career?
It will be one of my sidelines kasi everything, alam naman natin lahat, writing is not like a very prosperous, parang ganun ba? Kasi
Once
once
fixed income is not really
yeah,
profitable.
wala eh. Mahirap eh. Kasi once you have launched or published a book and na lumabas na sa merkado, hindi naman agad mabibili to eh. Meron yung point na meron din yung time na bigla itong sisikat. Eh, mahirap din naman maghintay sa wala. So, writing a book will be a sideline.
Okay, sige. Move on, let's change topic. Kumusta ng kawayan ngayon?
Well, as an ordinary citizen, no, and regardless na I'm under the LG of Mayor Jeremy, I will not be biased, no. As of now, Municipality of Cauayan improved well. Masasabi ko yan kasi you can see the roads, it's very accessible. There are many projects that that Mayor promised during the campaign na nagawa. Eh, hindi naman sa pagiging maka-Jeremy or maka-other party, pero as a citizen, maraming improvement.
Anong pwede may pagmamalaki talaga ng kawayan? You, as a purely Kawayenyos, na tipong isang turista pupunta doon, ano ang una mong ano yung mga ipapakita mo na is may pagmamalaki kagad ng kawayan?
Well, first and foremost, in culture and tradition and some customs, the Municipality of Cauayan, most especially the Kawayenyos. Kawayenyos are very hospitable. Kasi pag may bisita, kahit mahirap ka, may kaya ka, or meron, papapasukin ka, uy, upo ka muna, merienda. Ganun yun.
Totoo yun.
Aside from that, in terms of tourism, maraming may pagmamalaki ang Cauayan kasi Cauayan is geographically located. We have beaches, rivers, and other form of waters na pwedeng puntahan ng ating mga turista. Next, in terms of delicacies, we have the so-called street culinary, the barbecue or the ihawan sa Cauayan kung saan dinadayo na ito na ating mga turista, and most especially ating mga most especially Congressman Ryan Singson is always going there. Even
for a barbecue.
Yeah, even Basi Purisima is going there. Some prominent personalities, I think outside the province, is going there also.
Pero when you talk about kawayan, ano ba talaga ang tumatatak sa utak ng isang Ilocano na talagang kawayan yan?
Marami in many aspects kasi. I will enumerate. Okay? In Cauayan, tatak sa kanila is LPG Quirino.
Okay.
The Quirino family. Next is the Abel.
Papasok ka ba sa politika?
It's in our lineage. It's possible that I enter the political arena or what we call public service. Hindi naman malayo mangyari eh. Kasi people of Cauayan, may nagsasabi sa akin, why not enter politics, sabi nila sa akin. But as of now, sabi ko, it's too early to enter politics. Marami pa akong kakaining bigas para makapasok dito. But it's possible. Hindi ko dinedeny kasi my family relatives, some of my classmates knows that I have an ambition of entering politics. Actually, bata pa lang ako, gusto ko na talagang pumasok sa public service.
Okay.
I want to become a mayor, governor, and even the president
yun
of the Philippines.
Umpisa.
Yeah.
Yun na talaga yan. Na talagang papasok. Yun yung calling mo na. But, Carl, as a young, dynamic leader or a person per se, I just would like to ask, how would you rate Aquino's government?
As a Filipino, no? I can rate the Aquino government kasi in general, marami in education. Pwede siyang hati-hatiin kasi eh. Pero generally, I can grade President Benigno Simeon C. Aquino III a grade of 7 to 8.
7 to 8?
Why 7 to 8? Kasi the Aquino administration at present, nagagawa naman niya ang kanyang task as the president. Yung kumbaga yung sinasabi niya slogan na kung walang korap, walang mahirap at sa tuwid na daan. Yung tuwid na daan na
sa palagay mo ba, nasa tamang daan ba siya patungo sa tuwid na daan na sinasabi niya?
Well, for me, papunta pa lang.
Pag-upisa pa lang? Papunta pa lang. Nakapag-upisa na?
Nakapag-upisa na. Pero hindi naman kaagad. It's not in a rapid motion naman kasi.
You're right.
6-year reign as president, it's not enough. no? Marami pang kailangan gawin. Matatapos man ang term ni President Aquino, may unfinished project siya, itutuloy yun ng kanyang successor. Pero, the successor will not focus on the predecessor's project kasi each president naman has their own centerpiece project naman.
Oo nga kasi may tayo pa, lalo na tayong mga Pinoy, lalo sa politics,
There's a competition.
there's a competition na very particular sila sa signature.
Yeah.
Yung signature.
For example, sa signature, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, I think, her slogan is Strong Republic. Era para sa mahirap. Fidel is Philippines 2000.
Yes.
Parang ganun.
But as a young leader and as a young person, as a student at the same time, ano kaya ang pwedeng gawin ng mga kabataan? Yung mga kabataan ngayon para lalo sila makatulong sa kanilang mga komunidad at para naman gumanda at manatili itong progreso. At kumbaga naniniwala ka pa ba na andyan pa rin yung saying na ang kabataan pa rin ba ang pag-asa ng bayan?
Well, as a youth, no, hindi ko naman pwedeng baliwalain yun kasi pag sinabi kong hindi, ibig sabihin, ako mismo na kinakausap mo ay hindi na pwede mag-contribute sa ikaunlad ng Pilipinas o ng ating
Sa
bayan.
komunidad.
Sa komunidad. So, ika nga niyo sa Rizal yun, di ba? Ang kabataan pa rin ngayon ay isang pag-asa ng bayan. Let's take on a brighter and a positive side. Let us not be pessimistic. Marami pa rin pwedeng gawin ng kabataan ngayon Kaya nasasabi na hindi na tayong pag-asa kasi because of the economical constraint also.
Yes.
Affected tayo. Kasi kasama pa rin yon sa paghubog, the development of a certain individual, particularly the youth. Maapektuhan pa rin yung paglaki niya. Kasi may aspiration siya. That is a form of hope. Once that an aspiration was achieved, doon magsisimula ang pag-asa. There is room for improvement. Tapos, once these dreams or aims was achieved already, doon na magsisimula yung daan sa pag-asa There is a hope already doon Kasi a student or a youth today is very innovative. Hindi natin sasabihin ay bata, walang kaya, walang alam. Huwag nating maliitin po ang kabataan ngayon kasi youth is very innovative. Hindi nyo ba alam na yung gumawa nung parang virus, yung love bug?
Yes.
Kabataan yun Hinangaan siya ng buong mundo, although parang hinabol siya the fact that maraming na virus na files. Going back sa another question, yung anong magagawa ng kabataan? Whether papasok ka sa politics, whether you are an SK member or SK chairman or not, may magagawa ka pa rin. You can do that as in your own initiative. Tulad ko, the book, it is your own initiative. I'm not in politics. I'm not holding any political position in the government, but I initiated the book. Pero I'm not bragging, but it's a form of initiation as a youth not holding a governmental position. Example, I will cite. In the internet, there's the UN Youth and Habitat.
Okay.
Gagawa ka ata na you will form a non-government organization. It's not college-based. It should be 1 year recognized by the municipality or the country or in a certain place. Once it's a year recognized na, they may file entry with this corresponding or specific project. Pagtapos yun, once na nakapasa ito sa guidelines at rules ng UN Youth and Habitat, they will give ata $25 na magiging pondo sa Pilipinas ata is 1,700,000 more. Yung 1,700,000 pesos na yun, that will start as a fund na magiging project ng nag-initiate nun. That project yung project na yun is pwedeng applicable sa youth. Kasi youth, sabi youth nga, no? If that 1.7 will be utilized to a civic and proper project, magandang kalalabasan nun kasi bata
Yes.
And then it's international with the help of the international government. I think it's with the help of UNICEF ata and the UN World Health Organization.
But on your part, Carl, ano ba talaga ang ine-expect mo sa book na to?
Well, mahirap din mag-expect, no? Well, but I am hoping very much that this book will be patronized by my fellow Kawayanos or Kawayanos, kasi this book will entirely awaken the municipality of Kawayan and what Kawayan is, and other municipality will not belittle or I say parang maliitin or kumbaga ay Kawayan dyan lang yan.
Pagmamalaki.
At may
Taas noo, nasabihin na, I'm proud.
At Kawayanyo.
Correct.
Yeah, it's because it's one of the aims and aspiration of Mayor Jeremy na gusto niyang Kawayan will be known not only provincially but also nationally.
Talking about nationally, we're running out of time, so final message mo sa lahat nating mga viewers at mga Kawayenyos as well. And of course, if you want to promote and announcements sa mga gusto mag-invest or tumulong sa iyo sa publication.
Well, first and foremost, I would like to greet everybody, especially the viewers of this talk show, Let's Talk, good day. In addition to that, the Municipality of Kawayan under the administration of Mayor Jeremy S. Golan, the First Lady of Mayor of Kawayan, and the College of Arts and Sciences headed by Dr. Mary Rose Quitoriano Rabang and the UNF family as well. First, I would like to thank the local government unit for opening me the doors in accomplishing this very laudable project. Next is my parents for their support in continuing this endeavor. Third is my friends who is always been there at my side supporting me this endeavor. And aside from that, I would also like to talk to our investors, our stakeholders around the province, and as well as kung sino man ang nakakapanood nito, I would like to advertise this book po. This book of the soon-to-be book of the Municipality of Kawayan is a very great and laudable project of the LGU po, kasi once this project is realized, my dear viewers po, stakeholders and investors, the people of Kawayan, the youth will be awakened of what Kawayan is. Maraming malalaman, matututunan ng bata that Kawayan should be recognized as one of the very historical and may potential na town po. My dear, gusto ko po sana na matupad ito. I hope we can join hand in hand. Let us do this joint effort para po bilang isang kabataan po, matawag po natin ang sarili natin maging proud Kawayanyo. And I can say at the end, I am a proud Kawayanyo. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Carl, and of course, good luck with the book, The Kawayan, The Unraveled History. I know that po yan, with the help of our viewers and investors as well. Thank you for gracing the show, but I'm also proud to be part of this history as well. Okay, diyan ka muna. There you have it, mga kaibigan. Carl Vincent Quitoriano, a very young age, a third-year college student, and yet, yun na, may nagawa na siyang may pagmamalaki ng isang bayan o the so-called komunidad na it doesn't necessarily na kailangan mo maging professional na para makagawa ka at makatulong ka sa iyong komunidad o sa kapwa mo o di kaya masatisfy mo ang iyong sarili. All you have to do is just have the sincerity to do the thing that you really wanna do. At syempre, kailangan ay marunong kang makibagay din sa mga komunidad o di kaya sa mga people behind you para makatulong sa mga gusto mong gawin. Sabi nga nila sa panahon ngayon, pangarap na lang o di kaya ang libre na lang sa panahon ngayon ay pangarap na lang. Pero the word is dream, believe, at syempre kailangan mong trabahuhin din yan. Kasi kung dream, believe ka lang, wala ka namang ginagawa, ay talagang walang mangyayari. Maiiwan at maiiwan ka dyan sa sabsaban. Okay, so before we say bye-bye, thank you so much once again to H.A. Sales Marketing. Nandyan po ang branch nila sa National Highway Bantay, Ilocos Sur, and also another branch dyan sa Jose Sixto Street, Vigan City, at meron silang lumber and hardware dyan sa Vigan Public Market. Also, thank you so much sa King Harris Furniture sa San Vicente, Ilocos Sur. Maraming salamat din sa ABI, sa Absolute. Thank you, Hervey Salon. Check it out. Ongoing pa rin po ang kanilang promo. Sa ground floor po yan ng JTC Mall in Balaling Bantay, Ilocos Sur. Have your family. Maraming salamat. Doktora Divina, Veracruz Basilio, Veracruz Skin Facial and Body Care Center. Second floor po yan ng Lahos Building. possessing sa Street Vegan City, and also check out their branch sa Rizal Avenue, Salawag City. Also maraming salamat sa Ajakos. Thank you din sa Zem Salon and Spa, Core TV people. Thank you so much sa inyo lahat. Let's Talk Family, maraming salamat, and of course Carl, thank you so much. So once again, kita-kits ulit tayo sa susunod na linggo. Ito po ang talk show that talks about controversies, issues, and lifestyle. I'm Derick Gonzales. God bless everyone.